Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ronggo and today I will tell you about how to make a good preset photos on Lightroom mobile. So if you wanna make a good color in your photos, like balance on your skin tone and little gloomy on your background color, let's see this video. I will tell you how to make the good preset on it. Let's move to Lightroom mobile apps and prepare your edited photo. Yeah, the first thing you should do is import the photos to Lightroom apps, and then I will go to Lights panel and I turn exposure into 0.36 and contrast into -34 maybe. I think it's enough. And then highlights I put in -100. Shadow I put little in +40, 42 or 41. Yeah, I think it's 41, it's enough. And whites I will turn in -60, 63, I think enough. And then blacks I turn to 24. Let's go to the curve tone. I will put shadow in darker. Oops. Yeah, a little bit highlight. And then whites panel. And click done. Now we go to the color panel. Adjust the temperature about 15 and thin to 12, maybe on 22 or 12, I think enough. And vibrance I think lower in -57. And then saturation I will skip and go to color mix. We turn the hue of the reds into -34, I think enough. And then saturation into -21, and luminance I leave it 0. And we move to orange and adjust hue to 24 and saturation to 46 maybe, or yes, I think 46 is enough. And luminance to maybe about 5. And then we move to yellow. We just put it off on hue, saturation, and leave it luminance at 0 or maybe -7. And we move to green. We just hue to -95 and saturation -38 or 38, and luminance to -10. And then to aqua or cyan, hue, saturation, and luminance we go to -100. And then we move to blue, -16 on hue, saturation on 71, yes, and luminance to -50, I think. Yep. We move into purple, hue -100 and saturation, and leave it luminance at 0. And then we move to magenta. It same like purple, we minus it to 100 and leave the luminance at 0. And now we go to effects panel. We add some clarity to 7 maybe. In the haze about 12. Oh, yes. And we move to split tone. And the highlight I will adjust it about 210 50 maybe. Yes, and shadow, I will adjust it into 240 maybe. I think it's enough. And yeah, I think it's enough. I hope it makes your photos looks better. Thank you for watching, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.